Welcome back to the Komatsu Virtual MINExpo event live from Las Vegas. Right here in the Komatsu Truckbed studio, I'm your host, Madison Alexander. The mining industry is transforming to more sustainable, more efficient operations, and digitalization is the cornerstone of this evolution. Komatsu is partnering with customers to develop smart mining solutions that leverage their data and technology. Natalia Bilbao is on the show floor where she's been talking to Komatsu experts as well as showgoers about how data is transforming mining. Natalia, what are some of the ways you're hearing about where data is making major differences?
Thank you, Madison. The obvious areas where technology and automation are transforming the industry are increased performance and reduced costs. But I'm also learning a lot about some other areas where technology and data can improve operations. For example, there are ways to use data for fleet utilization and maintenance. But one that was particularly interesting was training. By digitizing training, it is standardized. That way everyone starts on the right foot with the same information. Beyond that, training models and simulations are being used to better predict operators' behaviors and then identify opportunities to improve.
So are you hearing any particular concerns from show attendees with regard to how they're using the data and technology?
Yes, Madison, there's some concern about these technology solutions being one size fits all. Today's mine operators deal with increasingly specific needs, situations, and conditions, and they need custom solutions. Komatsu understands each mine is unique, which is why we're working with customers closely to customize smart mining solutions.
Thank you, Natalia. So to get more insight into mining data and technology, earlier I was able to talk with Simon van Vegan, the Director of Mining Solutions on Komatsu's Mining Technology Solutions team. Well, hey there, Simon. Thank you for taking the time to talk with us. What's your take on why digitalization is so important in mining today?
Hi, Madison. Great to be here. The key is how we're able to take technology and data and use this to generate insights which help us drive our customers' key value drivers forward, like productivity, reliability, sustainability, and safety.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. I heard you mention sustainability, which is definitely a priority today. How can data and technology impact sustainability efforts?
Sustainability these days is one of our key value drivers for our customers. And the key there is that we have so much of this data available from all these sensors on the machines. So being able to use that, we can start to gain insights into things like the environmental footprint of the machine. Maybe we can route the machine differently to optimize the energy consumption, or even perform maintenance to make an improvement in the machine to reduce emissions.
That's excellent. Now, what are some of the kind of sustainability advantages that relate with Komatsu's smart mining solutions?
Well, let me share a particular collaboration example that we're doing with one of our customers, BHP. This is really a focus on the safety area of the business, where we're able to look at different tasks that might be performed on the machine and might put the maintenance personnel in harm's way, like within the operating footprint of the machine while the machine is still energized. This involves a lot of tasks that we refer to as live work, where we look at how can we actually digitize that information and perform some of those routine inspection tasks outside of the envelope of the machine, where we can keep that maintenance personnel safe.
Excellent. Now, it sounds like it's not really the type of thing that many mining executives may think of as an area that's exactly ripe for digitalization. And I heard you said you're working with BHP on this, right?
That's right. They came up with this idea and we've been able to work with them and help them implement it. One of the real advantages we've seen is that it's also allowed a wider pool of different candidates to come into maintenance roles that may not have been able to do that in the past. So it's really opened up this opportunity to employ new people in jobs in the mining workforce, which is really important for mining companies these days. And really, the technology that's been developed here has been really impressive. But the key to all of this has been in the collaboration and how we've been able to come together and work toward a common solution that covers the equipment and technology and brings all of those capabilities together. And so that's really been key to all of this.
Wow, great stuff. Simon, we want to thank you for sharing your insights on data and technology. You can learn more about smart mining on the Komatsu virtual event site. Feel free to reach out throughout the site's chat function if you have any questions at all. Now we've got lots more for you to explore at MINExpo 2021 through the Komatsu virtual event. Thanks for watching.